Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have watched the previous video where we discussed about that how you can use ChatGPT to prepare your cue cards or IELTS part 1 topics or speaking part 3 topics, right? And today we are gonna talk about IELTS writing preparation with the help of ChatGPT. See here what I have done. I have put here one of my students' essay and I would evaluate it that how it's gonna respond, right? So I have written here evaluate the essay below as per IELTS writing band score, and after that I just paste it. You can type if you want, otherwise if you are having any soft copy with you, you can just copy it and paste here. Okay, so let's see its response. Here ChatGPT has given us a quite good response. See, overall the essay present a clear and coherent argument with some strong example to support the author's opinion, okay? And here you can see task response, coherence and cohesion, right? Lexical resources, grammatical range and accuracy. We know that these are the 4 criterias that examiners use while assessing your IELTS writing, right? And see here in lexical resources, it has given us some suggestions. Like for example, this irrational judgment could be revised to this misguided belief, or basic human traits could be changed to fundamental human qualities. See how it is improving your writing. Let's see where it is written here. So because of this irrational judgment, okay, it has given us the suggestion that instead of writing this irrational judgment, you can say this misguided belief. And in grammatical range and accuracy, it has given us some suggestions. Like for example, many people are being admired could be revised to many people are admired. Okay, whenever any person take initiative could be changed to whenever someone takes initiative. See how it is giving us the suggestions we can improve. I think this is the best way to improve our IELTS writing score, because sometimes we can't get the standard way to convey our messages or the convey our feelings in the essay, so it can help us. Okay, so it has given us this thing. The essay demonstrate a good level of writing with a clear argument, relevant examples. Therefore, however, there are some errors in grammar and word choice that could be improved, and there I would give this essay a band score of 7. So this essay can get 7 bands. Now I would ask ChatGPT to write the same essay of band 8. Okay, let's see its response. I have written write the above essay of 8.5 band score. Here its response, it has given us this thing. It is often argued that in today's materialistic world, okay, so here we know this is the introduction, this is the first body paragraph, this one is the second one, and it is the conclusion. But it has given us the way far more better than the previous one that we have uploaded or pasted. You can evaluate your essay by yourself and get the suggestions what kind of improvements you have to make. Here also you can see I have written another one. This is the essay. I have just pasted it because I had the soft copy. Let's see that how it would evaluate our essay. So see, you can write these words, these lines when you want to ask ChatGPT to evaluate, okay, to assess your IELTS writing. So let's see, here is the answer, here is the suggestion. Okay, so this essay scores 6.5 bands, this one. It is on the pollution prevention strategies. Okay, so here it has given us the feedback. The essay is well structured and present a clear argument, and the introduction and conclusions are appropriate. The paragraphs develop the ideas effectively. Okay, the essay provides relevant examples to support the argument, and the writer's stance is clear throughout the essay. The essay lacks sophisticated vocabulary. Okay, and there are some errors in grammar and sentence structure. So sophisticated vocabulary, that means we haven't used the proper vocabulary, the proper words, and the writer used some repetitive phrases and expressions which reduce the overall impact of the essay. So see how it is giving us the feedback that where we are lacking in writing. Okay, the ideas are expressed clearly, but the lack of variety in vocabulary and sentence structure hinders the essay's effectiveness. Now we can get that where we are lacking. Okay, you are lacking in vocabulary, or you are not getting a best band score in IELTS writing just because of the coherency or the task response. So you can easily get the ideas where you are lacking. Okay, overall the essay is competent, but there is room for improvement in vocabulary and grammar. With some improvements, the essay could score higher. Got it? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm again going to ask it to write this essay, that how it can be effective, because here we have just read the feedback, that what the feedback is, but I want to clear it with some sample answers. Okay, so what would I write here? I would ask, write the above essay of band 8. I want this essay in band 8. Okay, so see, it has given us the band 8 essay, the issue of pollution prevention strategies. So see, I'm not gonna read whole essay because it just takes time. So we can easily compare that what we have written, and then we can compare that what it has given us as a suggestion. Okay, so likewise you can improve your IELTS essay. Okay, got it? And now I'm gonna show you that how you can improve your paraphrasing skill, because you know that paraphrasing is very important in IELTS writing. Okay, now let me take you to the new chat. We all know that paraphrasing plays a crucial role in IELTS writing, right? When it comes to write the introduction, whether in part 1 or part 2, it is very important given context. And here I would just paste it. Okay, and let's see. Here you can see it has given us the paraphrase text of this context. Okay, now you can see instead of some people argue that we should limit the, here it is saying there is a school of thought that suggests restricting the utilization of these resources in the educational institutions. In that way you can improve your paraphrasing skill. Okay, let me ask it more. If we want to describe the same statement in different ways, so what we have to do, I would write here, write you can see it has given us 5 different ways that how you can paraphrase the same context, the same statement. Okay, I hope you got this thing useful. So let's move further. Apart from these things in IELTS writing, you can also enhance your grammar skills. Okay, you can improve it. For example, if I'm having problem in conjunctions, cohesive devices, we could say, we also call them discourse markers. So suppose if I'm having problem in although, though, even though, despite, so I can ask ChatGPT to explain it, and it can also provide you a worksheet to do practice. Got it? So let's see how it can help. Here I would go, because I have already asked, so I would go here. Here you can see I have asked explain the concept of although, despite, in spite of with practice worksheets, and see how it has given us so many suggestions or the explanations. And it has also given us, here are some practice worksheets to help you better understand the use of these conjunctions. You can see here we are having the fill up exercise, or although, despite, or in spite of, we have to complete these sentences. And in worksheet 2, directions, write a sentence using although, despite, in spite to show the contrast between two ideas. So here we have to write these things instead of but. We have to find that where the although, despite, or in spite of would be fitted. Okay, and see how it is giving you the exact same thing you are asking for. Okay, instead of going to Google and search out for worksheets, sometimes we people don't find them useful for us, and we feel that this is the extra information, I just want this one, not that information. And here you can see that we are getting that information, exact the information we are looking for. And how it is organizing our things, like first we have the explanation, and then we can do practice. And moreover, You can also get your answers, and see here they have given us the answer keys. You can check your answers and find out that you have understood the concept clearly or not. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips and tricks helpful. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover, please leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.